Yo, what's up, guys? Here's a Super Ponish Thomas 2.0 here. Today, I'm going to show you some tips on Subway Surfers. How to get your score really big. Because my last go, I got 681,000 points. And that's a lot. That was just my last go, like, no joke. I'm in the gold right now. I was trying to get past these people. Mia is in the lead with 1,734,660. I was trying to beat that. But anyways, I'm gonna show you some life hacks. How to, or not life hacks, not life hacks, tips. How to get really good at this game. So here's the first tip. Wait 1 second. You should go to first tips, you should always open up some mystery boxes so you can get stuff like this, and then one day you might unlock a character, or you can get a lot more coins. Number 2, you should always buy yourself a lot of hoverboards. So because when you double tap, you'll get a hoverboard. So if you have a hoverboard, you won't die, because if you run into a train or anything, you will just spawn right back in, like in dust, like come back in. And that's why I have 130. Number 3, you should always increase the seconds on your jetpack so you can stay in air for longer and won't die below. And plus you can collect all the coins up there and just snack up on some coins up there. You won't die below. Number 4 and 5. You should always upgrade your seconds on ×2 multiplier of the coins and coin magnets. Because if you increase the seconds on your coin magnet, you will collect all the coins that come past you longer. And if you upgrade your seconds on the 2×2 multiplier, and if you collect coins, it'll be twice as 2. Like for example, if you get 1 coin, it'll equal 2 coins. If you get 4 coins, it'll equal 8 coins. If it's 12 coins, it'll equal 24. It's double. Number 6. If somehow I died, I can always watch videos. Just if you don't have any keys, you can just watch videos. Or if you have a lot of keys, you can just click the button and you'll spawn right back in. Number 7. A lot of y'all probably know this one, but this is the best board you can buy. It can make you go way faster. It can make you jump even higher too. Because probably people are thinking like this one's good and that one's good, but this one makes you go faster and a super jump. And it's really handy because you can't die if you have your board out. Number 8, just get a really cool skin so no one will make fun of you. Number 9, you should watch a lot of these videos, like daily videos. Watch to get prizes and free coins get up to 10,000. You should watch these videos so you can get a lot of coins and cheekies. Number 10. If you work at like an office and you have to type on keyboards, you might be really good at this game, because this game you have to swipe a lot to get to each side. Like for example, if you have fast fingers, you can go to side to side real quick. Number 11. You should always go to this thing and download these games and do what it says. the gain a log coins. For example, you can get 488 coins just to open this game, and you can get 219,000 to complete level 100. Just download these games and do what they say to gain the coins. And finally, number 12. If you have really fast fingers, you could probably do these parts really good. Like, for example, if you actually forget it. Okay, that's the end. Never mind. If you have fast fingers, you can jump on these really fast, these trains. Alright guys, see you later. And comment down below saying you subscribe to my channel, and I may shout you out in my next video. Peace.